Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your car's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014 protects circuits for the fuel pump, interior lighting, sunroof controller, central locking instrument cluster, 12-volt outlet, and modules like the steering column electronics and anti-theft system. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014 supports key rear area systems like door locking, power windows, heated folding mirrors, the power seat, and certain infotainment and security circuits. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford C-Max 2010 to 2014 protects vital systems like the ABS pump and valve, ignition and starter relays, heated windshields, the heater blower, and engine control circuits, including the powertrain module and voltage quality monitor. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.